Okay, so this is the aorta, this is the superior vena cava, this is the inferior vena cava, this is the lower aorta, this is the pulmonary artery, these are the pulmonary veins, this is the right atrium, this is the left atrium, this is the right ventricle, and this is the left ventricle. This is the tricuspid valve, this is the pulmonary valve, this is the aortic valve, and this is the bicuspid valve. Okay, so oxygenated blood goes into the superior vena cava, down into the right atrium, which then goes through the tricuspid valve, and then goes down into the right ventricle, all the way up into the pulmonary valve, all the way through to the pulmonary artery. Oxygenated blood goes into the pulmonary veins, and then, deoxygenated blood goes into the pulmonary veins, and then goes into the left atrium, then goes down into the left ventricle, and then goes up into the aortic valve, all the way up into the aorta. So next we have where the electrical conduction, where basically the SA node receives an impulse, which then goes through, which travels through the through the atrium, and then it goes down to the AV node, which then the AV node transmits it to the AV bundle, and then the AV bundle opens the valves, the tricuspid and bicuspid valve, which let the blood in, as simultaneously it constricts the right and left atrium, and then it goes down to the Purkinje fibers, which then close the tricuspid and bicuspid valve, and then open the aortic and pulmonary valve, simultaneously contracting the right and left ventricle, which basically what this does is makes the heartbeat, which is basically when you hear the dun 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 when you listen to someone's heart, and it's basically each sound is the upper part of the heart contracting and pumping the blood through, and then the other duh is the blood going into the lower part of the heart, which is contracting.